Let's be honest guys, managing multiple AI subscriptions is a nightmare. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Perplexity, they all add up. You are probably spending over $150 monthly just to access these tools separately. But what if I told you there is a better way? Before I reveal this game-changing solution, let me ask you something. What would you do if you had unlimited access to GPT-4, dall-e 3, Gemini, Claude, and every other premium AI service you can think of, all in one place for a fraction of the cost? So guys, this is Galaxy.AI, the Netflix of AI tools. But here's where it gets interesting. They have just launched their Black Friday mega deal, and what they are offering is almost too good to be true. For just $7.50 per month, which is billed annually, you will get 15 million credits monthly, access to every premium AI service, and you will get over 1500 AI tools and 6 months completely free. Let me show you a glimpse of what's possible with Galaxy.AI. Generate stunning AI art with Midjourney and dall-e 3. Create professional videos with AI. You can build custom AI assistants, chat with any document or PDF, generate code in any language, create music and audio content, design logos and graphics, and you can write compelling content. Don't just take my word for it, Galaxy.AI has already transformed over 80,000 plus professionals' work. With a staggering 4.9 out of 5 rating, users are already calling it the most valuable AI subscription they have ever purchased. Now here's the catch, this Black Friday deal won't last forever. The countdown is ticking, and once it's gone, it's gone. You are getting access to tools worth over $160 per month for just $7.50 per month. Let's break down the math. ChatGPT plus $20 per month, Midjourney $20 per month, Claude $20 per month, Perplexity $20 per month, and there are dozens more. Total $160 plus monthly. With Galaxy.AI, it is just $7.50 per month. The link to this deal is in the description below. Claim your Black Friday deal. Remember, you'll get 6 months completely free, 15 million credits monthly, access to all premium AI features, and this is risk-free with their cancel anytime policy. So guys, don't wait until the countdown hits 0. Join the AI revolution today. This is more than just a deal. It's your chance to access the future of AI at an unbelievable price. The link is in description below, and I'll see you inside Galaxy.AI. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more game-changing tech deals like this one. See you in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more game-changing tech deals like this one. See you in the next video. Take care.